Assalamualaikum students. Today we will study sound of X as xylophone, Z. Sound of X as Z. Xylophone, Zephyrs, and X-mystery and X-ray. Here, sound of X is pronounced, or letter X is pronounced as X, X, and in X, tax, excited, extra. Gz, exam, exit, executive. And Z sound, xylophone, xenophobe. Here we will observe the sound of X as X, box, fox, six, axe, fax, wax, ox, mix. Here sound of X is pronounced in different manner. We will observe X-mystery, X-ray, xylophone, Xerox, Xerus, Zimnia, Xenopus, Xylocarp, X-ray fish, Zister. Again, here are a mixed word, and we have to find out the sound of X as X and Gz. X, exercise, box, fix, mix, X-ray, fox. X sound we observe. Now Gz sound, exhaust, exit. Here in this slide we will observe the sound of X in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. X-ray in the beginning, X-ray, xylophone in the middle, exactly, example, excite, exercise, exotic, explain, express, exit. Axe at the end, axe, box, fix, fox, mix, tax, suffix, prefix, complex. Again, recall the sound of X as X and Gz. Taxi in X, taxi, Mexico, explain, next, fox, mix, extra. And in Gz sound, exactly, example, exam, exhibit, exotic, exult, executive. Today and next we will study next sound. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.